Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In last week's video, I showed you how to make this really beautiful wall mirror using bamboo skewers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. In today's video, I show you how I use their larger bamboo skewers to make more beautiful home decor. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was use these Dollar Tree pruning shears to cut my bamboo skewers in half. For this project, I'm using two 14-inch embroidery hoops that I picked up from Michael's for about $6. Next, I used my pruning shears to remove the metal pieces from both of my embroidery hoops. I then used generous amounts of wood glue to adhere both of my embroidery hoop pieces together. I repeated those steps for both embroidery hoops, and I ensured that they were aligned and as flat as possible. "30 minutes later, I used hot glue to adhere one of my skewer pieces to my first embroidery hoop. Once I hot glued a few of the skewers in place, I then used additional hot glue to attach the opposite end of the skewers to my second embroidery hoop. Instead of using the hot glue to add each of my skewers, I've decided to speed up the process by using wood glue instead. As you can see, I'm also adding hot glue on top of my skewers just to hold them in place until my wood glue dries. I continued using the wood glue to add my skewers, but then I realized I had not balanced my design. So here I'm adding additional skewers to the opposite side of my embroidery hoop to ensure that my design will be level. In hindsight, I should have added a few other skewers in the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions in the very beginning to ensure that my design was balanced and level. Now that my design is leveled, I can now add my remaining skewers. I then made a second piece using the entire 32-inch skewer and 10-inch embroidery hoops. I allowed both pieces to dry, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. Both pieces turned out really pretty as is and can be customized to fit any home decor. I decided to decorate my taller piece with this gold metallic spray paint, some of this chrome trim from Amazon, and Dollar Tree diamond wrap. I added the same chrome and diamond wrap to the top of my design, as well as a 10-inch mirror that I picked up from Michael's. For project number 1, I decided to paint it black and add this 14-inch mirror. For those of you who asked, what was I going to do with the other half of the silver picks used in last week's project? Well, here's your answer. To give my black paint some additional sparkle, I'm adding a thin layer of Mod Podge and extra fine silver glitter. My mixture looks gray because I'm using the same bowl and paintbrush that I used to paint my design, but no worries, the Mod Podge will dry clear. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.